a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage. Working hard, I don't wanna be average. I'm stuck in my...
I'm not gonna OD because this video is gonna be real quick, so I'm not gonna OD and get too hyped, you know what I'm saying? Waste too much time on y'all. Today, in this video, I'm gonna be going over the Supreme Breathalyzer from BACtrack Go. BACtrack Go Breathalyzer collab with Supreme, however you want to say it. Y'all should know what it is. Let's get it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna read some of the stuff on the box, which is instructions, so you guys can know what's up. Right here it says, point 2, easily estimating your alcohol level. That's one thing. It's perfect for staying safe and consuming alcohol responsibility. Another thing is it's perfect for testing friends and family. You know, just making sure that the person you're with or the person that might be by themselves going somewhere that you've been out with didn't have too much to drink and it's safe to get home. I feel like this is really important. I feel like this is one good essential that Supreme dropped for a good cause. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of drunk driving, a lot of accidents, a lot of people dying from those type of accidents. So I think this will help a lot of people. Plus, it's stylish and it's a keychain, so you can have it on your keychain, ready to go, quick to get to. You know what I'm saying? And it looks nice. It says Supreme on it. So there's no reason why not to have one and why not to test yourself and why not to drive responsible. You know what I'm saying? The intended use for this is screens for the presence of alcohol in human breath used in diagnosis of alcohol intoxication. So it's pretty much gonna tell you if you're too drunk to drive or you good to go, you feel me? Me, if I even have 1 cup, I don't drive at all. That's not my thing. I don't drive when I'm drunk or drinking or intoxicated because it's not worth my life or anybody else's life. You smell me? And I don't know if I can live with killing somebody because I was drunk driving knowing that I was wrong. I don't even want to get into that. That's just crazy. Alright, so first things first, let's go over the size. I'm going to just take this out the box for the first time. Whoop-de-doo. You know what I'm saying? This is how it looks. I'm gonna swipe this up. It brings, okay, that was like to show you what to do, the manual. So it brings these mouth, I guess it's for the mouth, you know what I'm saying? For when you put it in your mouth, for when you blow. It has a couple tips to keep it crispy. It brings 3 tips to put on the mouthpiece to stop it from, you know, if you want to try it on different people, you can do that. So, and it also brings a battery. I believe this is a AAA battery. It also brings a AAA battery from Duracell. At least it ain't no cheap battery. Damn, they hooked it up. Damn, they hooked it up, right? They brought a Duracell battery. You know, usually things that bring their own battery be like some fake battery, like Power Cell, Supercell. You know what I'm saying? Interflizer. Alright, so you got the 3 tips, the AAA battery, right? And now I'm just gonna pull out the BACtrack. You just pop it right out. Boop. They got the keychain. I'll show you how big this is. Let's go on sizing. With the keychain hanging, it's this long. It probably hits the R. Without the keychain, just sizing it like this, it barely hits the middle of the W. Barely hitting the middle of the W. You know what I'm saying? So that's nice. Boom, put this back here. Alright? So, the mouthpiece is right on the side. You just clip it right open. Right where the keychain is at. It's right above the keychain. The mouthpiece, you clip it up. Boop. Boop. Right? So all you gotta do is as soon as you take the mouthpiece out, you just blow right into it. Boop. It'll ring and it'll show you your alcohol level right then and there. But of course, first you gotta put the battery in. The battery part is right in the back. You just slide it to the left, boom, and it comes right out. It clips right out. You put the battery right in there and you're good to go. You can have it in your pocket, you can have it in your bag. It's small enough to fit anywhere. Or you can just clip it on your key. It's not that big. It's real easy. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to save a lot of lives, I believe. And I love this product. I don't know how many times I'm going to say it, but it's just a perfect and it's a good thing to come out with for a good cause, for Supreme and BACtrack to come out with this so people could be more relaxed and more able to just walk around with a breathalyzer, you know? So this is the size of it. Boom. I'm going to zoom into this. Like I said, it's not going to be a long video. I just really wanted to do this video on the BACtrack. I know it's not like a super big product or hyped product, but I thought it was an important product and a product that I care for a lot. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do right now, just like I do in all my videos, straight up, I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so y'all can see what the BACtrack look like. I'll show y'all next to the sticker so y'all can see the size of it and everything, even though I showed y'all. But just so y'all could be a little for sure. So here goes the zoom in, my people. Let's
Money
get it.
turned me to a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage. Working hard, I don't wanna be average. I'm stacking my bread, now I'm living lavish. This cold world turned me to a savage. The money keep coming, I don't change. I was broke, I was trapping in the rain. Coming up in the hood comes with pain. Niggas switch when they get a little fame. Okay, they took me for granted, I wasn't smart for them. Fraud niggas, so I had to set myself apart for them. Fuck niggas, I done lost all respect that I had for them. They don't want problems, they don't want problems. I go hand for my bread and cheese like a sandwich. I'm only thumbing through hundreds and they can't stand it. If you never been through the struggle, won't understand it. If I ever told you I love you, for sure I meant it. Niggas claim they real at the end, they all pretend it. Niggas want my time for my shine, but I can't land it. Niggas want my flow for a verse, so I'ma rant it. Niggas try to hurt me with friendship, I had to end it. Money turned me to a savage. I pay my shooter now and you can have it. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. This game turned me to a savage. Bought a 38 special to do the damage. All the fake love turned me to a savage. All the fake love turned me to a savage. I thank God each day when I'm getting up. I'm going hard from the bottom, rising up.
Yo, y'all saw that zoom in on the Supreme BACtrack Breathalyzer. It's a keychain. It's perfect. It's white. You know, I got the Supreme right in the front, man. If you drink or you got friends that drink, family that drinks, cop one. Maybe buy it as a gift. Buy it for yourself to test them out. Buy it for other friends to test their friends out. You never know when you might need it, and it's always needed. So guys, if you like my video, even if you don't like my video, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. Whether you think it's negative or positive, it's all positive to me because it's gonna help me grow. You smell me, you schmeckedel me, you heard me, or you ain't never heard me. Let's get it. You feel me? Oh, follow me on Instagram at Prince Fiorentino. Like my pictures and my videos, comment on both, DM me with any ideas, with any things you think I should do a review on, with any advice, anything you want. All that good stuff is important. Let's do it, let's get it. It's on and popping. The summer's here. What's goody?
Money turned me to a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage.